Device in my hand is OnePlus Nord, and in this video we are showing how to record or how to use the screen recorder option in OnePlus Nord. For doing this, you must scroll the system icon, and from here you must select the screen recorder like this. And now you can see this is the screen recorder's emblem, and if you can see the if you press this button, that is the red color, then you can see that it is a beginning, or the screen recording have been begin now, and you can see the seconds here is going on. The screen recorder is here, and if you want to pause the screen recorder, you must simply press it like this, and you can press the pause button from here like this. And if you want to close or stop the recording, you can click this one, so you can see that the video saved to the gallery, and you can view it also. So this is the method of screen recording, but we want to talk something related to this screen recording option. If you press this button, that is if you go to the system icon, and from here you select the screen recorder, you can turn on or turn off from here like this. And if you are going to turn off or close this, then yes, it is the screen recording. And if you want the screen recording to turn it on again, you must press this button like this. And after here you can choose the settings also from here, and in these settings you can adjust the resolution of the video we taken, that is 1920 in 1080, that is the HD, to you can change it to 2340 into 1080, or you can even adjust to a lower rate from here, or you can even change the bit rates also. You can change the bit rate also from here, and the number of frames also. And the most important thing is this one, that is audio source. If the no audio is shown, then the no audio will be recording that while you screen recorded this, but if you pick the internal audio, then while recording the phone, whatever voice that we can hear from the system, we can hear along with the screen you have recorded. And if you choose this one, that is microphone audio, you can record whatever you are saying also along with the screen you are recording. So you can record the screen, and at the same time you can talk something also and record it by using this method. Then this is the video orientation. You can change from landscape or portrait, that is depend on your choice. So you can choose the auto option, and you can hide floating widgets while you are recording. And you can show touch operations. A small white marker where your finger touches the display is shown in the recorded video. For doing this, you must turn on this like this. And if you are recording something, you can see that if I am recording here something, you can see here while I touch the screen, a white color been coming here like this. So if you want to point something, you can use this one, and if it does not recover that one, then you can close it from the setting itself. So that is the show touch operation. And if you want to pause recording when the screen is off, you must turn on this. Hope you understood the basics of screen recording in OnePlus Nord. For more videos like this, subscribe and join us online. Thank you.